Hi guys, David from RV Wholesalers with another Hey RVW video. Today we're talking about fifth wheels and what is a fifth wheel. Fifth wheels are kind of rare because they hook to the hitch in the back of your pickup truck, which is going to reduce sway, really eliminates it completely, and it has a lot better weight distribution already built in because the weight of the fifth wheel that's going to be attached to your pickup is put right over the rear axle. Generally, fifth wheels are longer than travel trailers, but they do come in many different lengths. You're going to find them as short as probably about 30 foot. You're going to find them a little over 40 foot in length. And again, they're going to be a little bit longer, so they contain a little more room. And it's shorter when you go down the road because part of the fifth wheel, again, is over your bed of your truck or your tow vehicle. Fifth wheels have very spacious interiors, lots of room because you've got longer floor plans. So if you're going from 30 to 40 foot and sometimes even up to 42, 44 foot, there's just lots of space for you, your things, and the people you camp with. Fifth wheels are very tall, certain models having top bunk areas, but you always have a lot of headroom when you're in a fifth wheel, especially in the living area right before you go up the steps into the front of the fifth wheel will be a very tall open area, making it feel even more spacious than it really is. All fifth wheel floor plans are going to contain steps because the fifth wheel has to go up in the front in order to hook in the bed of your truck instead of on the bumper like a travel trailer. So you're going to have steps to get inside the fifth wheel, and then you're going to have additional steps once you're inside to get into the front bedroom, front bunkhouse, front living room, and in some very rare cases, even the front kitchen. Fifth wheels always have double axles because they are longer and heavier than travel trailers. So you're always going to have two axles back there to help carry the weight, which also makes them more stable to tow. Fifth wheels are generally heavier than travel trailers, but still come in many different sizes. You're going to have a lot of different lengths. You're going to have different weights. You can still get some that are, considered fairly lightweight, but they're going to be heavier than travel trailers. One of the nicest things about fifth wheels is you can leave your fifth wheel set up at a campsite and leave in your tow vehicle, which you cannot do in a motorhome. So it gives you great versatility. Nothing worse than pulling in, sleeping, next day you want to go out and do the things that you do when you camp and you have to pack everything up, unhook, and go sightseeing, for example, for the day. A fifth wheel is just practically a bigger travel trailer that needs to be hauled differently. Most people consider it a safer way to tow, also a easier way to tow. You don't get the sway like we mentioned earlier, so it's going to follow you right down the road, and it's just going to be easier for you to handle and a lot more comfortable when you're towing. So to wrap up, fifth wheels are perfect for families, perfect for couples. They're easily towable with half-ton pickup trucks, 3/4 ton and 1-ton pickup trucks. They're safer and easier to tow than a travel trailer. And you get the great versatility of being able to use your tow vehicle while camping, while leaving your fifth wheel on the campsite and not having to break things down, pack things up, or unhook. There are tons of different floor plan options. Again, bunkhouses, front kitchens, rear kitchens, front living rooms, rear living rooms, just about anything you'd want you can find in a fifth wheel floor plan. Thanks as always for watching. Please make sure if you have additional questions you give us a call at 877-877-4494. One of our RV consultants will be glad to help you. Make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube page and follow us on Facebook.